everyone, welcome to Hacker Associate Broadcast. You're watching the Hacker Show. In this section, we are going to perform a Pass-the-PRT attack. So let's go to that area, PowerShell. So here you can see I generated the token and I copied each and everything under this area. So this is exactly our key and this is exactly our value. So let's go and do the things. So I'm going to the Chrome. So this is the Chrome and new incognito mode. I'm going to login.microsoftonline.com. Once you log into this, what you can do here is just select that part, more tools, developer tools, and we have certain cookies, right? So that I'm going to delete these cookies. See that, delete this cookie, delete this cookie, delete it, again deleting all these, deleting. So you can see now everything deleted. So we can simply copy this key for primary refresh token. This is just a POC. I just want to show you how the attack work, and the value we want is this one. If this is valid, we will see that, and rest is fine. I would want to enable this part and you refresh the page. If everything okay, we're going to log in. You can see, I guess we successfully logged in into the Microsoft account, just using the cookies. And if I just close this part, you can see clearly it is logged in. Superb. And this is the Nishant account. I'm logged in right now. You can see this is Excel account. I logged in. That's all for the PRT attack. I hope you enjoy the things. Great day. See you in the next hacking episode.